Alright, since I can't pull it out, I gotta drill it out. Because I can't knock it out. So, yeah, it's fucked anyway, so let's go. Hole drilled. See if we can yank it out. Alright. Hopefully it comes out on video. Get it. Come on out. Scared. Come on. A lot more metal in this than you'd think. Alright, here she comes. There she is. She is out. Alright. Let's inspect her. The arm broke. The fucking arm broke. That's not even a lubricated part. Okay, so it wasn't a lack of oil.